Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. And this video I'm going to show you how to make a light of the deer horn. So you can see this normal picture and this converted picture with changing background to color or any color you want. So let's go starting, and the first we need to go into Photoshop and click open and getting the original picture and making a zoom and going to the tool list and making or selecting object selection tool and making a border in here, and now press and hold Ctrl J and come to here the layer, right click and click the convert to smart object, and now press and hold Ctrl G and click the layer again and press and hold Ctrl J again and go to the normal list or filter list, select the screen filter and go to the filter in here and go to the blur and go to the JSON blur and get number 5 or 10 for example and click the OK and press and hold Ctrl J again and double click the JSON blur, change to 150 and press OK again, and now press and hold Ctrl J again to making a layer copy 3 and click the JSON blur, double click and change to the 300 and press or click the OK. So now close the group in here, you can see in here, so you can see the effect changed, and now click in here the space, just one click and go to here, open the list and go to the restartation and click at the tool or the logo. Okay, so in here you can change the color of horn. I make it a golden color just for example, showing you how to making it. So now to change the background to color, just click the background and go to the object selection tool again and make the border of the all object or deer object. So now press and hold Ctrl J again and turn to the background and go to the brush tool, select it and come here and down of the tools, double click at the color and the first color. Okay, change color to any color you want. I just making the background color for test, and now select the all background to changing a color of him, so you can see the color of backgrounds changed with the brush tool. And now you can save your project with any tape, for example JPG, to saving as a picture. So now this review is come to end. I hope or I wish you, if you loved this review, don't forget like this video and share to learning another people's, your friends or the peoples around of you, and subscribe my channel to see more video next time. So thanks for watching, goodbye, see you again later.